In this video, I will be showing you how to host or set up a live class for BOGI students. Firstly, visit the eLearning homepage, log in to your account and on the top right corner of the screen, click on My Courses. You will be redirected to the dashboard. Hover to the course you want to set up a live class for and click on the edit icon on the bottom corner of the course. Scroll down to where you find Connect with your students using Google Meet. Input the meeting name. And you can add a short description for the meeting summary. Head over to meeting time and in the first field input the meeting date. Second field, input time to start the meeting. In the third field, set the meeting end date and time. Click Create Meeting to save all changes. Click on Publish at the top right corner to make the meeting go live on the website. Now, let's check to see if this is really working. From the home page, let's click on the course. Scroll down and you will see the just created meeting. To go live, click on Continue to Meeting. Make sure you have a working webcam on your device. Also be sure you are signed into your Gmail account. Click on Present to go live. And now, all students can now join the live class to receive lectures.